This is the vintage Coach small bucket zip natural grain bag, style number 4907 in the color navy, and this bag was made in Costa Rica in 1997. And what's really special about this bag is it's still in new tags condition. For a bag made in 1997, I would say that's pretty good. So whoever purchased this bag originally, I guess just never used it and stored it away over the years. So it's a pretty cool find, especially for the collectors out there. So this is a pebbled leather bag, a bucket bag as the name suggests, and it comes with the matching two-sided hang tag. So this hang tag matches the type of leather that the rest of the bag is made out of. So there's the hang tag, and it is a crossbody or shoulder bag, I guess, depending on if you want to adjust the strap. So you could adjust it to be quite a bit shorter if you wanted to wear it as a shoulder bag, or you could wear it as a crossbody. This is how you would adjust the strap. It's pretty easy, like so. I'll go ahead and show you more of the rest of the bag itself now. So here's the front, obviously. Here's what the sides look like. The strap is sewn directly onto the bag with this style, and then the back looks identical to the front. And then here's what the bottom of the bag looks like. Just smooth leather, smooth pebbled leather on the bottom. And then it does have a zip closure with a Coach branded zipper pull. And then when we open the bag, this bag is lined. It's got a navy blue striped lining on the inside. And it has a back zip pocket along the inside of the bag. And then it also, of course, I almost said of Coach. Of course, it has the Coach Creed. This one, the way it's stamped, it's a little hard to read, but it says F7M4907. The style number, the serial number down there, and it says it was made in Costa Rica. And here's a close-up photo of the Creed just so you can see it a little bit better than it'll pick up on camera. So that's the beautiful small bucket zip natural grain bag. This bag is available now in our online store, so if you are interested in looking at this bag further, the link will be below in the description box. But otherwise, thanks so much for watching. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.